Tired of getting stung by hefty bank fees every time you spend in Thailand? Let's ditch those travel money woes and discover how to use your Wise card like a pro in the land of smiles. First up, currency conversion. Before you even land, use the Wise app to convert your currency to Thai baht. You'll get real-time exchange rates, often significantly better than what banks or airport kiosks offer. Keep an eye on the app for rate fluctuations to maximize your savings. A pro tip is to convert small amounts to the local currency to minimize the impact of rate fluctuations. Next, let's tackle ATM withdrawals. When you need cash, look for ATMs that display the Visa or MasterCard logo, as Wise cards are generally accepted where those brands are. Be aware that Thai banks may charge a withdrawal fee, typically around 220 baht per transaction. Wise may also have its own withdrawal limits and fees depending on your plan, so check their website for the most up-to-date information before you go. Finally, using your Wise card at point of sale is super easy. Just present your card like you would at home. Most merchants accept card payments, especially in tourist areas and larger establishments. Sometimes you'll be asked if you want to pay in your home currency or Thai baht. Always choose Thai baht. Paying in your home currency allows the merchant's bank to set the exchange rate, which is usually less favorable than the one Wise offers. So there you have it. Using your Wise card in Thailand can save you serious money on fees and exchange rates. Enjoy your trip, spend wisely, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips.